Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this like purplish bluish smoky eye thing situation going on here. So that is what I have for you guys today. I am going to be using a new palette that I found from Ulta, so I will have all the products that I use down in the description box. So without further ado, let's just hop on into this. We're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm feeling kind of extra today, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna be taking this Elle poreless face primer. We're gonna be doing that, and I am going to be pumping that in, putting it on my face, I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance Foundation. I'm not a fan of the application. I don't like this application thing. The foundation itself is absolutely beautiful. It has a really nice finish, and it's like super duper close to my skin tone color. So this is in the shade, where is it? Mocha Honey. This is in the shade Mocha Honey, and I basically just, sometimes I do it with a stippling brush, but today I'm just going to be doing it with the Beauty Blender, like I said, because I want the more silky looking finish. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Overall, this foundation is like a 9 out of 10. The only reason I'm giving it a 9 is because I don't like the application, but everything else, like the color, very close to my skin tone. I honestly just picked up one. Because I know I'm not like cocoa, and I'm not like a deep tan or whatever. So I saw honey, I saw mocha, and I was like, okay, that sounds like a good mix. Because usually I wear like a deep honey, and basically mocha honey just sounds like deep honey to me. So all right, we are gonna go ahead in with some concealer. I still have this concealer, you guys. I still have this. Honestly, this concealer works very well. It works so well, and I haven't bothered to like go out and buy a new one because I've had this since last year. And it doesn't look like I've been using it. And I've been using it. I have been using it. I promise you I've been using it. But oh my God, she is here to stay. She is bringing all the coverage that you need. She's bringing it. I'm going to be taking this brown eyeshadow right here, and that is what I'm going to be contouring with today. I haven't bought a bronzer, like, I don't think ever, because usually when I see the bronzer, it doesn't ever look dark enough. And using an eyeshadow gives me a more, like, I don't know how to say, like a more natural kind of contour, because it blends out really well. I've been doing it for a while, and I like how it looks. Okay, now what we are about to do is we are going to be getting into this Flawless Revolution palette. I just picked it up a couple days ago. I have gotten to the other one. I also have the Mermaid Forever one. I absolutely love this. It's beautiful. It is gorgeous. But I haven't done this one yet, so that's what we're going to be using today for this look. Fresh out the box. The colors are like absolutely phenomenal. They look so pretty. It has a good balance between like the matte ones and some shimmers. So let's do this. So the first thing that I am going to be doing is going in with this light brown right here. I'm gonna be using that as my base today. I'm loving the green. Sometimes I just get palettes for the green. The greens are gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna run that over into my crease. Run it into the crease, I actually picked these up from Ulta. They were only 15 macaroonies, which is very good because both of these palettes have 32 eyeshadows in them. They have a very good range of colors and they swatch very well. They swatch so good. So this is the brown base that we're going to be using today. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to be going to, this is like a, I don't know, it's like a bluish, blackish, shimmery type of color. It just looks gorgeous and we're gonna use it, and I'm going to be concentrating it over the brow. God, oh my God, oh my God, I love this. I love this. You know how hard it is to find a good cheap palette? I shouldn't say cheap. A good inexpensive palette that has very good colors, lots of good, like it just swatches well, like the transit, like this is just gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Okay, moving on. So what I'm going to be doing is I am actually going to be taking this color right here. I had like the little paper that told me what the names of these shadows were, and it's like gone. So, but I'm actually going to be using my finger for this one. And we are going to be plopping it right on top of there. Ooh, look at mama. Look at mama. What has mama done? Oh my God. Okay, so I just took a little bit of concealer just now and we are just taking away. Like, one thing I do like about this palette though, both of them, they don't have a lot of fallout. So I didn't get like really any fallout there, which is good. But I just like taking the concealer and going under just in case. And then I am I'm gonna be taking this color right here and we are gonna line under the eyes. Oh wait, not that brush. Not with that brush. We're not getting far with that one. All right, hold on. Brushes want to hide. Brushes want to hide. Where did they go? Where did they go? Okay, here we go. Goodness gracious. And the good thing is, it still looks like the same color that I put on my it still looks like the same color that I put on top, but it's just not, it doesn't have the shimmer in this one. So for the eyeliner, I'm using this one. This is, well, let me turn around so you guys can see. This is called Palladio. I actually found this at Sally Beauty Supply. I was looking for an eyeliner because I thought I ran out. I didn't run out, I just lost the one I had. So of course when I bought a new one, I found the one that I thought I lost. So, but this one actually works very, very well. So now for the blush, I'm actually going to be using this color from the Dream Street Colourpop palette with Kathleen lights. And you gotta be careful though, because Colourpop. Colourpop is like super inexpensive, but their pigmentation is off the charts. Literally off the charts. And I have like this little cute little flat brush thing that I've been using. And then I'm going to be taking this blush. This is actually a blush. I'm going to be taking this and using it as a highlight because it looks so pretty. Like, so pretty. Can't never find anything in this house. It's like so pretty. It's not even a highlight, it's a blush, but it's so perfect. It's so perfect. And hey, we're gonna put some down my nose. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. I want something kind of dark, so I'm gonna be taking Elle. Or should I use something lighter? How are we gonna do? We're gonna do like a slight ombre. So I'm gonna take Elle, and then I'm also gonna be taking Macaroon on top. Alright, you guys, and that is the finished look. I love using a blush as a highlight. I absolutely love using the blush as a highlight. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video, obviously. So yeah, go ahead and click on the next video. It's right there, right there. All you gotta do, you're already here, just click it, yeah.